Hello friends, how are you? Today we have come here in Saheliyon ki Badi, that is also a beautiful garden. It is the center place in Udaipur, just near Fateh Sagar, and this garden is also beautiful, well maintained, and there are a lot of shady paths and lush greenery all around here. And I'll show you everything in this garden. This is the entry gate, and my husband is purchasing a ticket. There is some amount of ticket we have to pay for, that is called the entry fees, and I'll tell you everything about this park. Today we have come to Saheliyon ki Badi, that is called the Garden of Maiden. It was built by Maharaja Sangram Singh for his beloved queen and her 40th maidens. It was just, the purpose of this garden is just provide leisure and luxury to his wife, his queen. And yes, you can see fountains. This garden, this Saheliyon ki Badi is filled with lots of fountains that are run naturally. These are working naturally, and the water is provided for this. You can see my husband, he is wandering in Sawan Bhado garden. This area, Sawan Bhado area, is in the Saheliyon ki Badi. This garden is very big, just like Gulab Bagh that we went on last Sunday. So this Sunday we have decided to come in this Saheliyon ki Badi. This is also a very large garden, and this garden is built by Maharaj Sangram Singh for his beloved queen and her 40th maidens, accompanied by maidens and attendants, you can say, because for the luxury and for the leisure, Maharaja Sangram Singh wanted to give her queen. So for her he established it, or he built this park, Saheliyon ki Badi. You can see there are a lot of fountains, beautiful fountain, natural it runs, and Fateh Sagar Lake, the water is provided for these fountains from the Fateh Sagar Lake that is just near of this park. You can see the beautiful parks produce a little music, you can see, and my husband is calling me. Why? Because he want to show me something. You can see these little very tiny fountains all over this everywhere. Yeah. What is this? Yes, natural sound produced. Sawan Bhado. This area is called as Sawan Bhado, as I saw you. Okay, you can feel this music. This music produced in these fountains. Everywhere you can see the fountain. Natural water come out from these fountains. There is no any electric motors used for these fountains. These are natural. And you can see greenery, lush greenery is there. Attractive trees, plants are here. You can see so much calm, peacefulness we can see here. We can feel, we get freshness, serenity, really. Yes, you just stand here. I want to take a photo. You just stand here. Yes, this is only a small area of this Saheliyon ki Badi. We will visit another area also. Yes, you just stand there. Yes, see here. Smile. Let's move to another area of this big park, Saheliyon ki Badi. Swim. Huh? तेरी धड़कनों से है जिंदगी मेरी, ख्वाहिशें तेरी अब दुआएं मेरी, कितना अनोखा बंधन है. Now we are going to another area of this garden, that is Kamal Talai. There are a lot of fountains here, no? It's a natural place. Love it. This beautiful garden was built by Sangram Singh for his beloved queen. You can see another area that is called Kamal Talai. Here is also beautiful area that is called fountains. You can see the whole circle. You can see this calmness, coolness, serenity, and you will see the lush greenery everywhere. It's beautiful, very attractive. This area attracts a lot of visitors, you can see, and you can see the marble elephants. They attract us a lot, and in the elephant there are fountains, elephant fountains, you can see. Yes, elephant fountains, and in the mid there is a pool. Wait. Now we are going another. You can see rose flowers. Wow, fragrances, sweet fragrance. You can see rose flowers everywhere along the path. It's a shady garden actually. You can see beautiful rose flowers blooming. Flowers are blooming both the side of the pathway. It's a beautiful garden. Whenever you need some kind of relaxation, you can come here. You can come here to feel relaxed. So yes, today due to Sunday, I have come with my husband. Blackberry. That is black. That is not blackberry. Yes, that is.
Not blackberry.
Huh?
Blackberry tree.
Blackberry tree.
Blackberry is just a
Tree. Yes, and that is lemon tree also. Huh? It's a small orchard, you can say.
Yeah.
So coolness we feel here. I'm also sitting here with my husband.
जरा देखन दे देखन दे कौन दिशा में लेके चला रे बटोहिया कौन दिशा में.
And that is another area of this garden, that is Raslila. So in this garden, Saheliyon garden, there are different areas. These areas are established by. This was established by Sangram Singh for providing leisure necessary for his queen and her 48 maidens for relaxation, for leisure, for calm.
जितने पास है खुशबू सांस की, जितने पास हो तो के सरगम, जैसे साथ है करवट याद के.
As you can see, this is the area. Everywhere fountains. Fateh Sagar. After watching this Saheli of Diwali, now we are going to Fateh Sagar. Due to Sunday, we set out for visiting. And you can see the beautiful roads are there. Great. You can see the latest attraction.
धरती का प्यार पले, नीले गगन के तले धरती का प्यार पले. ऐसे ही जग में आती है सुबहें, ऐसे ही शाम ढले. नीले गगन के तले धरती का प्यार पले. चलने
पास हो फिर क्या ये जहां